Alright, Chevy Dave here with our first look at our special edition Silverado Black Widow edition. So if you've seen from our earlier videos earlier, we sent 3 trucks off to get the special edition Black Widow accessories put on the vehicle, and we got one back today. Another one's due in. Another Silverado is due in any day, and then we should have our Colorado back here pretty soon as well. So if this is your first time checking out or finding out about a Black Widow truck, these are made exclusively from SCA Performance in Alabama. SCA is in Southern Comfort, Alabama. That's where the SCA comes from. They make these special edition Black Widow trucks. We got one in not too long ago, sold it within a day, so we decided to become an exclusive SCA dealer for the St. Louis area. We're super happy about that. I'm just going to do a little quick walk around so you can kind of see the whole truck, and then I'm going to go into some details about this specific model and what we all did to this truck. So these are all built, they all carry the manufacturer's 3-year 36 bumper to bumper warranty. The performance accessories also include in that 3-year 36 bumper bumper. Most accessory companies do not offer a 3-year 36. That's why we decided to go with the Black Widow, because they offer the same as the manufacturer. All right, so let's start off with the front of this. So this is a custom grille with rigid lights. So if you're into accessories for vehicles, you know that rigid lights are some of the best lights you can get for vehicles. So this is a custom grille made. This is a stainless grill, rolled steel grill that is made specifically for SCA Performance. And then the bow tie is actually painted. It's not a decal. This is actually painted the same color as the vehicle as well. This is a true 6-inch lift. So most companies claim that they have a 6-inch, but it is actually close to a 5 or a 5 3/4 lift, where this is actually a complete custom suspension lift made exclusively for SCA Performance, because they felt the 5 1/4 just was not enough, so they wanted the full 6-inch lift. Then you look at, kind of keep going around here, we have fender flares that are custom made, fabricated in-house by SCA Performance. And then you have your custom rims and tires. So the BF Goodwrench KO2 tires, aggressive tires, and custom machine rims, and then the SCA Performance painted brake calipers that are specially made for the Black Widow trucks. And then we have the Black Widow insignia. That's not a decal, it's actually just like the manufacturer insignia. And then we have the full length roll bars, the step side bars. And if you can see here, even has the Black Widow insignia on the step rails as well too. The nice thing about that is they are full length, so you can step on this rail and get into the back of the truck if you need to, which definitely helps out if you're shorter or if you just need to get in the back. So keep going around here. And then you have a custom exhaust. This is a Flowmaster exhaust system, and it's all decked out, dual exhaust, and it sounds amazing. And then same thing with this bow tie, is also the same color as the truck as well. This vehicle does have the rear sliding window. It is an LTZ71 package truck. All right, let's look at the inside. All right, now look at the inside. Everything has been painted black as far as to match the interior of the vehicle. And I know it's kind of hard to see during the daylight, but it has a red lighting inside the vehicle. And then the headrest have the Black Widow insignia stitched into the headrest. These are all leather seats that are put into the Black Widow. Super sweet. The windows are tinted. This truck is awesome. All right, let's hop on the inside. Here's a look at the interior. This model does have the trailer brake controller and then cruise control along with your Bluetooth and steering wheel controls. And then the Black Widow has these specialty gauges, which are just phenomenal, all light up red. I know the video may be fluctuating a little bit, but it looks great, and really sweet. This vehicle just has 26 miles on it. It's in great shape, so this is super sweet. And then it's got the Chevy MyLink. Everything's good as far as the regular LT truck. It's got heated seats on this model, adjustable pedals, parking assist, cargo light, everything that you'd have on a normal Z71 pickup truck. And then up here, there's an actual switch right here that you hit, and that turns on the rigid lights in the front grille. So this is a super sweet Black Widow. I know you can't really see the lighting on it, but I'll add a picture here at the end of the video that shows the red lighting, and then also the puddle lights, as far as the has a Black Widow insignia that shoots out from the door handle, or from the doors, underneath the doors, onto the vehicle whenever you open the doors. It's super sweet. So I'll add that to the end of the video as far as the picture. So if you're interested in this truck, feel free to message me. All my contact information is below. Once again, this is Chevy Dave here at Deien Chevrolet. We are the exclusive SCA Performance dealer here in the St. Louis area. So we're the only place you can get these Black Widow trucks. So definitely, these are super sweet, super excited about them. We just got these in. We should be getting a red one in here pretty soon, and also a Colorado as well. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button over on the side, and feel free to message me if you have any questions. If you'd like to schedule a time to come out and take a look at this truck, feel free to message me, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And make sure you leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up on this video if you like it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section as well. Make sure you follow me on all my social media sites, including Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. And if you're interested in this vehicle, come in and ask for Chevy Dave here at Deien Chevrolet, and I'll be more than happy to go over the truck with you in more detail. So once again, this is Chevy Dave here with a 2018 Silverado Black Widow Edition pickup truck. So come in and see me. I make car buying great again. Thank you for checking out this video.